you look like me? I'm Jason's favorite toy. How can you look like me? What's a Jason? What's a Rachel? My girl. Well, you can't have Jason. I don't want Jason. How can this be happening? You look just like me. You look just like me. What if our kids come back and they accidentally take the wrong toy? Oh no! What are we gonna do? I don't know. Oh no. Well, I know. What if you go outside and roll in the mud? Gross. What? Mud is awesome. And you roll. What? I can't. If I get dirty again, Jason's mom is going to put me in the white box. Oh no. The one that spins? And so, oh no. Well, Rachel told me to stay right here. Well, that's what Jason told me to do.
He's done.
Oh, come on. I don't get it. How can there be a toy that looks exactly like me? I wish Rachel were here. She's so smart. She'd know what to do. Well, if Jason was here, we'd be having fun. I mean, we'd be playing pirates and ninjas and doing crazy cool stuff. What? No, that's not fun. We'd play school and dress up and have a tea party and things like that. That's fun. I can't go home with your girl. I don't want to play house. I don't want to get dirty. Well, then what do we do? I mean, we look exactly the same. I don't know. Wait a second. What? How can we look exactly the same but be nothing alike? I don't know. I wish they could see that we weren't the same. We could just tell them. Break the first rule of being a toy? I don't think so. Well, maybe there's something around here. Oh, yeah. What is that? That? Oh, that's my hat. It's pink. So, Rachel made it for me. Isn't it cute? Well, I wouldn't think so, but if you like it. Oh, I know. What? If you put your hat on, they can know we're different. Good idea, good idea. We'll put it on. Come on. I can't. Rachel always did it for me. Well, what if I helped you? That's a great idea. Yeah, let's try. I don't think we're strong enough. Well, I don't want to, but what if I picked it up with my mouth? Won't you slobber on it? No, I promise I'll be safe. Okay. I guess it's okay. Let's try it. Okay, put your head down. Look at that. Hey, don't laugh. Sorry. Pink's just not my color. It's on me. Well, now we look different. Yeah. Now we look as different as we are. Oh no, the kids are coming back. Oh.